are very minimalist. We don't really decorate it much. We do love putting candles out because we go all out for Christmas. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you all of where I got it from, what I use it for, and then I'll show you how I decorate it. So this one I got at Target. I love it. It's to put either my iPad or a book for recipes. This one I got at Hobby Lobby. This jar I got at Hobby Lobby as well. And these 3 as well. And then I cut it at the bottom, and then also I bent it a little bit so it, you know, it's at the right height that I wanted it. These 2 are from Target. This one was from my bestie D, and so I had to go and get David his matching one. And I also got this one from the Target dollar spot. Super cute. I want to use it to hold these there, and then eventually for the hot cocoa bar. I got this one at Target as well. I love Target, so got this one at Target for the guest bathroom. I love these to just put it around the house. They're super cute. This one says hello pumpkin, autumn leaves, and pumpkin please. And oh, in the back it says pumpkin pie baked fresh daily. This one I got it at Trader Joe's. Smells so good. They also have a huge one, but I like putting this one in the kitchen. That way it smells like it. And then this beauty right here, this one I got it at Target, and I did a DIY project that you're gonna see later, either in this video or I'm gonna put in the other video. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that, but I show you how to use your beautiful flower inside a pumpkin vase. And then I have, these are from last year. I started using it already. They were $3 from the dollar spot. I just love this smell. It's one of my favorites. I got this one at Costco, and it comes with another one. Sorry, Ollie's behind me playing. So I got this one at Costco. It comes in a pack of 5, I believe, for like $20. It was so good. And this one I got it at either Marshall's or TJ Maxx. I just love this brand, Sand and Fog. This one smells so good. Then it had a little Halloween top, so I thought it was cute. Then I got these pumpkins for a picture for Ollie. Yeah, for Ollie. And then I'm gonna use these to attempt to make a pumpkin pie from scratch. And then I got these 2. I believe this one is still very dusty. I got it at, I know this one I got at Target from the dollar spot. Let me see where I got this one from. This one was either Marshall's or TJ Maxx or something. Yeah, and then I have 2 bath rugs that I actually love to use for the kitchen. And this one I got it a couple years ago, but then this year they created the same one just with a different color, and I just love it. So I'm just gonna continue using those for the kitchen. I got this a little DIY project. It was so cute to go home. It matches our vibe. And then this little kitchen towel, like flower sack towel, it's beautiful. I love it. And then this one right here, this garland, I love it. It's from my shop. I had it. It was from last year. I was making garlands for Christmas and fall. We might bring them back next year. We'll see. But I'm so excited how it turned out. So yeah, that was it for our little haul. Yeah, let me show you how we decorated the joyful home. it for this video. I hope you enjoyed minimal decorating with me for this fall season. Stay tuned for another video in this fall series that I am enjoying making for you. If you liked it, remember to support my channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Bye!